Ever been to a convention and felt completely overwhelmed, like sensory overload?
Happens more often than you think. Big crowds, bright lights, loud noises. It can be a lot, yeah.
Exactly. That's why I'm so excited to talk about this new space at the Myrtle Beach Convention Center.
The Serenity Spectrum Space, a game changer for neurodivergent attendees. Wow, that's a great name.
It's designed to be a calming oasis in the middle of all the action. Let's dive in. So tell me more about this Serenity Spectrum Space. What makes it so special?
It's a purposefully designed room with mood lighting, sensory kits, and Bluetooth for customized soundscapes. Think calming music or even white noise to block out the chaos.
That sounds amazing. A place to just decompress and recharge. I see.
Exactly. It's for anyone who might be neurodivergent or experiencing sensory overload.
And what does neurodivergent mean exactly?
It refers to individuals whose brains function differently than what's considered typical. This includes people on the autism spectrum, those with ADHD, sensory processing differences, and more.
So it's a really broad range of needs.
Absolutely, and these individuals bring so much value to events, but often need a space to feel comfortable and supported.
This is a really forward-thinking initiative by the Myrtle Beach Convention Center.
They're proud to be the only convention center on the East Coast with a space like this. It's a collaboration with Meeting Professionals, International, MPI, and Google.
That's a powerful partnership. It really shows a commitment to accessibility and well-being. That's impressive.
It aligns perfectly with their mission to prioritize inclusivity for everyone.
What's the message for event planners?
Make your next event more inclusive. Let attendees and exhibitors know about this space.
That's a huge selling point for the venue. Definitely.
Absolutely, it shows you care about the well-being of all your attendees.